by BHANU channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 from hunting and gathering to growing food. This is a chapter of class 6 subject SST History. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer of this chapter. Friends, हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 2 से पहले हम लोगों ने चैप्टर 1 के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स डिस्कस किए हैं। आप इस चैप्टर का वीडियो देखने से पहले उस चैप्टर का वीडियो ज़रूर देख लो, क्योंकि हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है। और हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो, जिससे वो भी हमारी हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस को एंड तक देखना ना भूलें और हमारे वीडियोस को बीच में स्किप कर ना जाएं। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, लिस्ट 3 ways in which hunters and gatherers use fire. Would you use fire for any of these purposes today? Answer of this question is fire could have been used for many things. First, as a source as light. Second, to roast meat. Third, to scare away dangerous and wild animals. Yes, we use it to cook food today. Question number 2. List 3 ways in which the lives of farmers and herders are different from that of hunters and gatherers. Answer of this question is hunter-gatherers. First, they came traveling from one place to another. Second, they depended on the mood of animals. Third, they didn't have any settled place. Whereas farmers and herders, first, they lived at the same place for a long time to take care of their crops. Second, they used to plant crops and animals. Third, they settled in huts or pit houses, etc. Question number 3. Distinguish between Paleolithic and Mesolithic age. Paleolithic. First, it is known as the Old Stone Age. Second, it is the earliest Stone Age period, dating 2 million years ago. Third, it was the age of purely hunting and gathering and people without permanent. Mesolithic. First, it is known as the Middle Stone Age. Second, it is second period of Stone Age between Paleolithic and Neolithic. Third, it was an age of domestication, when people learned to grow crops and tame animals and have permanent houses. Question number 4. What were pet houses and where they have been found? Answer of this question is: first, earliest people thought so many new ideas to store grains. Second, pit houses were grain stoves in which were dug into the ground with taps into them. Third, archaeologists have found pit house in Burjahom, Kashmir. Question number 5. How did the changing climate affect the life of human beings? Answer of this question is: first, it led to development of grasslands due to the temperature became warm. Second, it led to an increase a number of animals that live in grass like deer. Third, humans began to think about herding and rearing animals themselves. Fourth, fishing also became important. Question number 6. What are characteristics of Mehergarh site? Explain in details. Answer of this question is: Mehergarh is located in a fertile plain near the Bolan Pass. Probably one place where people learn to grow crops like barley, maize, and wheat, and rear goat and sheep for first time. Archaeologists have found the evidence of many kinds of animal bones, including wild animals. Archaeologists found the remains of square and rectangular remains of house which had 4 or more components. They may have been used for storehouse. Several burial sites were found in Mehergarh. Question number 7. Discuss the significance of the Neolithic Stone Age by early human. Answer of this question is: stone tools have been found from many sites. Second, these stones were different from the Paleolithic stone tools. That is why they are called Neolithic tools. Third, these tools were polished with a fine cutting edge. Fourth, tools like mortars and pestles used for grinding grain and other plant products. Fifth, bone tools have also been used in Neolithic age. Question number 8. Describe the stone ages in human history. Answer of this question is: Paleolithic period, old age. Paleolithic means old stones in Greek. Lithic means stone. It was about 2 million to 12,000 years age. Mesolithic period. Stones found there are generally tiny and called Mesolithics. It was about 12,000 to 1,000 years ago. Neolithic period, new age. Neolithic is the new age of human being which has been begun about 1,000 years ago. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. SST, हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है। तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे सभी वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी SST ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए आप हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं, हम उसका वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।